Hi everyone, so today we will be learning how to upscale an image using AI from pixoate.com. So you don't have to need any sort of skills to do that. So it is fairly simple. What you have to go is you have to go to pixoate.com/upscale, and then you have to select your image. Let's say I select this one. That's it. You can use 2x or 3x or 4x depending on what scale factor you need for your images. So it is 2x. Let's do 4x. For now it will take few minutes. Generally it is just few seconds. For big images it could take little bit more further, and less it is, you can see it is optimized. You can how it is done. So let's, if we go to download now, so you can see the results. Like before it was like such a kind of, we can say, pixelated, and right now it is crystal clear image. You can see if I zoom in and show you how much the difference is there. So you can see how it was looking earlier, and so there's huge difference you can see. So that is the difference you get when you are using the Pixoate. So we hope you like this tutorial, and for more go to pixoate.com. There are a lot of tools over there, 100+ tools. And also if you want to customize it further, you can continue with the photo editor and you can make a lot of other changes. Like if you want to add the contrast, other stuff, maybe like you want to add some sort of effects, you can do that. Like anything you want to add some sort of text, like you can do that as well over here. So, and then you can download further. So we hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching.